In 1881, in the lush forests of Madagascar, a peculiar dance unfolded between the comet orchid and the hawk moth. The orchid, with its long nectar spur, seemed impossible to pollinate. Enter the hawk moth, with its equally long proboscis, perfectly designed to reach the nectar. This relationship puzzled Charles Darwin, who predicted the existence of such a moth before it was discovered. How did this intricate dance evolve? Over time, the orchid's spur lengthened, and the moth's proboscis followed suit, each driving the other's evolution. This symbiotic relationship not only ensured survival, but also sparked a deeper understanding of coevolution. Today, this dance continues, a testament to nature's intricate design.